out here. We don't even have a little part of the beach we can cook on right this minute. We're gonna go do some exploring. Fly the drone, do a little fishing. Maybe we'll catch some fish today. I'll be able to cook that fish too. So Sheila caught something trolling.
Barracuda. Bring up here. Go ahead, bring up here. Let's get rid of these. There you go. Good job. Just found a little creek. Take her up in there. Sheila's on fire. She got 3. I'm driving the boat, flying the drone. She's fishing, but look at that beautiful thing. Well, today we brought fish with us, so we don't have to kill this guy and eat him. So that's how we're gonna take care of that one.
I think I'm out.
Eat me! I'm out here. That was a beautiful little drive. Caught a couple little cudas, hoping to catch a snapper or 2, but next time we're gonna bring some live bait. And when the tide's coming up and not falling, because we do not want to get stuck in here. If we get stuck in here, oh, fish on. What you got? A little baby barracuda. She's a barracuda slayer. Hey, we wouldn't go hungry out here, I'll tell you that. It might not be the best eating, but it's food. What you think about this, babe?
Looking good.
Alright, it's ready for the shish kebab whenever you guys. Whatever,
Are
right?
you making mine?
This one will be yours. Of
Such
course.
a good husband.
Oh, obviously this one's yours. Dude, I know you really want barracuda. Instead you're eating mutton snapper or yellowtail. We're breaking everything down. Tide's falling really fast, but woo! Shish kebabs are almost done. We're just gonna get on the other side of this giant flat, so at least we're in a little bit of water when the tide does go all the way out, and hopefully we can get home tonight.
Last thing. I love this grill that we picked up on the side of the road.
Free, thank you. Whoever's out there in front of Captain Hooks.
It It was awesome for us.
It was perfect.